Hello everyone, this printer is Canon Pixma MG3650 or 3600 series. What I want to do is to show you how to connect this printer and computer together with a USB cable. First of all, we need to disable the Wi-Fi connection for us to be able to connect the printer and laptop together via a USB cable. So you need to press and hold the Wi-Fi button. Power light is highlighting, then you press copy button twice, then press the Wi-Fi, then wait. The power light will highlight, wait for the light to go off on the Wi-Fi. The light is gone off, so the printer is no longer connected to wireless network, so the Wi-Fi is disabled. The next thing to do is we need to take one end of the cable, go to the back of the printer, connect it to USB port. Then take this end of the cable, connect it to computer, and you will hear a tune. So the next thing to do is you need to go to laptop start, go to the settings, select printers and scanners. Usually when you connect the USB cable printer and computer, it will pick the connection up automatically. If you cannot see the printer from the list, then you need to add a device. Give it some time for you to see the printer. So the printer is available. Canon MG3600 series. Select on it, showing us the printer is idle. Canon MG3600 series. Select print the test page. Windows printer test page. You have correctly installed your Canon MG3600 series on laptop. And also it will show you post name USB 021 RAW Windows x64. If you want to scan document to confirm, select scanner settings, then open scanner. So the printer is found. Then go to the printer, put the document you want to scan face down. Make sure the document starts from the top left. Close the cover. File type, PDF, show more. We want to scan this in color. Resolution 300 dpi. The maximum is 600 dpi, so 300 is selected. We want to save the file to documents. Then select scan. To view this file, select view. This is the document we scanned. To print it out, select Ctrl P. Then go on the right side, scroll down and select correct printer. Select number of copies. We want to print all, and also select the color. More settings. Select the paper as A4. One page per sheet, fit a printable area. If you want to print double-sided, then select print on both sides. But this document is one-page document, so select print. This is the document we scanned and also printed it out in color. So this is how to connect the printer and laptop together via a USB cable, print out the test page, and scan document. Thank you very much indeed. While you are here, please like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you.